Good afternoon, my name is Brad King. I'm a District Sales Manager with ALPINE in Eastern Ontario, and today I'd like to talk to you about the ALPINE manifold system on corn planters. The manifold system is a very simple and a very easy to install unit that goes down to each roll. This particular unit is mounted on the vacuum line or the air line of the unit. The stands that it's mounted on can mount on the round, it can mount on a flat surface, or it can be mounted on a corner. So there's lots of options to where you can mount your manifold. This particular manifold on this 12-row corn planter is 4 3s, one for each fold and one for each side. So there's lots of options. You can do 1 6 or 2 6s depending on the size of your planter. All these joints are compression fittings. They do not need to be Teflon. They're self-sealing. Inside the manifold we have a check valve and we have an orifice, and we will talk about that in a later segment. But it's very simple to install. It's all hand tightened together, and it's very simple. The blue hose that goes down to each individual roll, there's a place to make a loop around and come in the top. That loop provides 2 different scenarios here. One, it prevents the blue hose from kinking when it comes around, and also if you do have an accident in the field, it gives you the opportunity to gain some extra hose if needed. So when we mount this on the top, this compression fitting holds it on. The little blue hose has to go all the way through the compression fitting, because if it just goes halfway in the compression fitting, it's not going to happen. But anyways, when it goes, if it only goes halfway into the compression fitting, it will pull out. But if it goes all the way through the compression fitting before installing it, it will securely hold that, and you don't have to worry about it coming apart.